Hi everyone, my name is Esme. This is the second video in a series of videos about how to use the 2025 Wandering Star Planner. This is the 5-year anniversary edition. So we just went over the birth chart in the last video. If you're looking for that, you can find it in this playlist. I will make a playlist on YouTube for this. So we were looking at the houses, and then the birth chart. So on the next page, I have reference info about the houses. And then if there's one thing I really want you guys to get from this, it's that feel free to make up your own keywords and make them as personal as you want and change them as often as you want. So like I recommend looking at your transits monthly. I'll go into that in a later video. I recommend changing up your keywords monthly. Every time you write them down, see what resonates to you. Don't overthink it. Maybe your house of others in partnership has someone's name in it. Maybe your house of others in partnership has a quality that you are looking for in it. Maybe your house of others in partnership has a business partnership that you're hoping for or trying to work with. Same for career and calling. Same for all of the houses. So feel free to make it as personal as you want and change it as frequently as you want. And then we're gonna go into the houses more in depth here. So we have these 3 pages that talk about the houses and how to move, how the energy of your chart can move. So the first page is about trine aspects as well as the elements. The second page is about the square aspects and the qualities. And the third page is about the house placement. Each page explains a little bit more how to go into that. The planner, I had to choose one sign, so these are just Aries rising charts here, and then we give you the blank chart up here so that you can color code in a way that makes sense for your chart. So for example, the Aries rising chart has fire in the 1st house, the 5th house, and the 9th house. So those are the 3 fire signs of Aries, Leo, and Sag. If you wanted to color code those red or orange or some fiery color, if your rising sign, say, was Cancer, you would want to maybe pick like a watery blue-green color. And you would basically just imagine your chart, or like take this image and just imagine as if Cancer was over here on the left-hand side. If you don't want to skip that mental gymnastics of imagining your chart, I do have a printable for each rising sign, and in that printable I give you this image with your rising sign over here. So that is available on Etsy. And yeah, I suggest color coding or kind of coloring in and getting a sense of how the trines work in your chart with the topics, with kind of your birth chart, how the squares work, and how the angles work. All right, see the next video where I'll go over quickly the reference info in the planner.